I ngahau tahi mai e tahi kaiwaiata Pasifika me te tira puoro o Aotearoa i te tahi whakaaturanga puoro mā ngā iwi Pasifika i ngā rangi tata nei. He kaupapa tēnei e tohu ana i te Aotearoa o Mohoa nei. I whai wāhi hoki he waiata mai te tira waiata o Signature Choir o te iwi kuki airani, o Fiji, o Niue, o Samoa, o Tokelau me Tonga. Kei Arana Ryan te rōna atu.
He huihuinga tāngata kaore anō, kei kitea e ngā tuahangata o te NFL.
Played a long time in some of my joints, but here's one thing I know. If I had a voice like this, I wouldn't have all these injuries that I carry around with me. So, but I'm proud to be here tonight, and they did a great job.
Koinei te wā tuatahi i ngā hautahi ai te tira waiata e kia nei, ko Signature Choir me te tira puoro o Aotearoa.
You've got to fight back those tears, eh? You know, and to be honest, I mean, all those songs, and they just resonate with me in different ways, you know. And you would have seen there was a song that just had, you know, it was just energy, like we just gave everything, we had nothing left. And we had to follow that up with a song, Lo Sosuani, which is all about poise and clarity and intonation and grace.
E toro atu te tira waiata e waru te kau te toko maha, kei ētahi rea waiata no tāmaki makaurau ki te whakakiki i ētahi tūranga. E rua rā noi hō rātou e haratau ana i mua i tēnei huihuinga nui.
So we're lucky we had the music directors back home in Wellington, that's where we're from, and so we had practice twice a week. The Aucklanders had to do that a lot on their own. You know, obviously our MDs were flying up once a month type thing, but the Aucklanders had a really tough task, so it was nice to finally meet and then give them some comfort that we were there for them. They had our back and we had theirs. And
Nā te tāngata pukekohe nei hoki, nā tōwhinga whepuli ai, I hinga ai te mārea I āna mahi whakangahau hei kai whakataki.
Look at all these beautiful faces. But I have noticed there's a bit more beautiful faces there than on this side. But there's nothing wrong with a little bit of ugly, just a little bit. Now I know in the second song, Te Hiva, you started dancing. If you want to Shiva, Shiva. This is not Phantom of the Opera, mate.
I ronga ai ngā iwi Pasifika e ono I o rātou waiata, ā whakamiharo atu ana te hunga I tai atu.
My favourite part was when that guy got up and he was dancing.
I didn't know which island I actually came from, just listening to that. I think I was Fijian tonight.
I don't usually dance, but a lot of the songs I felt like I should get up and dance, so I enjoyed it.
Awesome! Because most of the children, they're from Wellington, are from Wellington. The other one, they teach them when they're here.
Mō te hunga kaore I Waimaria ki tētahi kape, ka taia I koutou te kōpai puoro o te konahete te hoko. Arona Ryan, Te Ao Marama.